Hello everyone, Neeraj here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Genshin Impact on the Windows. First, open any browser. For this video, I'm going to use Chrome browser. In the search box, type in Genshin Impact for Windows. Hit enter. Now go to the first website as you can see here. Click OK. Now click on this pendant. Now you will come to this web page. Here on the top right corner you can see a download button. Click on the download button. Here, since we are on Windows, we'll click on Windows. If you are on PS4 or Apple, you can click on these options. For this for this laptop, we'll click on the Windows option. The download will start. Now go to the download folder. As you can see, now open the installer. Click on install now, and the download will start. Click on get game. Now it will take some time depending on the speed of your internet. The total size of this game is about 50 GB as you can see here. Now you just have to be patient and wait. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys really soon.